Behind the scenes at Walt Disney World is this man-made island, lined with concrete bunkers to provide a launching pad for the fireworks display that climaxes the daily America on Parade Bicentennial celebration. Bob Jani, energetic Vice President of Entertainment for Walt Disney Productions, ironically has had his hands full for the past 2 years, arranging for these nightly splashes of red, white, and blue in the sky.
The world does not manufacture red, white, and blue fireworks, and as we looked to the Bicentennial, we realized that we had to organize the entire industry to produce this type of product, and our properties, Disneyland and Walt Disney World, are the largest user of fireworks in the world, and to get us through the Bicentennial year is going to take about 150,000 shells. So we have been to Europe, to Japan, Taiwan, the Republic of China, seeking out the finest that we could bring to our parks for this occasion.
Tell us a little bit about the fireworks as they fit in with the rest of the America on Parade show. It's the grand finale to the event. What exactly happens?
It really is the crowning finale to our evening here at Walt Disney World. We have produced some very exciting and very dramatic music just for the fireworks, to which all the shells are programmed. And it ends with the entire park standing, singing the national anthem as the sky is illuminated in red, white, and blue.